Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for joining me again. Today, again, I want to talk about the impact of coronavirus that is our manufacturing industry is having these days. If you remember, in last couple of years, a lot of manufacturing has been moved offshore, meaning mostly to China because of price considerations. And in that, there were auto components or auto parts manufacturing that moved to China. Even the iPhone is manufactured in China. The electronic components that go into various products that are manufactured in Canada are made in China. Aftermarket parts for automobiles are manufactured in China, plastic products, printed circuit boards. So there are numerous industries that suffered because of price consideration, and all that manufacturing was moved to China. Now, with this outbreak in China of coronavirus, the supply chain from China has disrupted the North American manufacturing industry, but it has created a tremendous opportunity. On a positive side, we can take advantage of this opportunity to revive the manufacturing of those parts in North America. The interest rates have been lowered to 11 years low that can allow manufacturers to borrow funds at a much lower price and invest in these opportunities that are opening up because of this disruption of supply chain from China. So some of the things that we can revive are, again, the components, electronic components that go into our car manufacturing. We still may have some of those shut down plants that we can reopen. Governments can invest into those, and a lot of jobs could be provided for North American employees, and industry could be revived. Hope that you can take advantage of these opportunities, and if there are issues with the price reductions and process optimization, digital Lean Sigma is the way to move forward. That can provide you significant advantage, competitive advantage, by allowing you to produce or manufacture these products at a much lower cost, beating the Chinese prices, at a much higher quality and at a much faster speed. Hope you can take advantage, and we'll connect with you soon. Thank you.